Hi there, and welcome to another Papetti Math YouTube video tutorial, where I'm going to be teaching you Algebra 1. Yes, you. And in this video, we're going to finish up Lesson 4 in exponential functions. I'm glad you made it this far. To exercise number 8, that says the height, h of n, of a dropped ball is an exponential function of the number of bounces, n. A ball is dropped from an initial height of 30 inches. On its first bounce, the ball reaches a height of 15 inches. On its second bounce, the ball reaches a height of 7.5 inches. Write an equation for the height of the ball as a function of the number of bounces. So we have initial height of 30 inches. So no bounces, 30 inches. After one bounce, it returned to a height of 15 inches. Two bounces, 7.5 inches. And it continued this pattern, it said. So what equation could represent this information? And we don't have exactly that it is going to be an exponential function, but we can determine that by finding our rate of change is going to be a constant factor, which means we're going to be multiplying by the same amount to get from 30 to 15 as we do from 15 to 7.5. And that number we're going to be multiplying by is 1/2, because half of 30 is 15, and half of 15 is 7.5. So we know our decay factor is going to be 1/2. We also know our y-intercept in this problem is going to be where x is 0, which is going to be a value of 30. So we have enough information to write our formula or our equation in the form of y equals a times b to the x. So y equals 30 is our y-intercept times 1/2 to the x power. But again, we always want to go back and check out if we're using the variables that were given in the context of the problem, and we're not right now. So we want to change that y to an h of n, and we're going to change that x to an n. So our final function should look like y of h of n is equal to 30 times 1/2 to the n power. Using this, you could figure out any number of bounces, the height of that ball, and how high it's going to bounce up to after that bounce. So if this video was helpful in determining an equation to represent the height of a dropped ball after n number of bounces, please give this video a thumbs up, and you're now ready for lesson number 5, which is on percents. Thank you for watching.